If you run a training or education business, one of the biggest challenges is turning what you know into programs that people can quickly understand and feel excited to sign up for. That's where AI can help. Many educators, coaches, and instructors know their subject deeply, but packaging that expertise into clear, compelling website content can take a lot of time. Whether you're building a new class page, writing a workshop description, or naming a multi-week program, AI can help you create a stronger starting point faster. That means less time trying to word everything perfectly, and more time shaping programs that feel clear, structured, and easy for students to understand. And once your content is in place, people still need to find it. Today, students are discovering programs in new ways, not only through traditional search, but also through AI-powered tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. Squarespace's AI SEO tools can help you strengthen your site's foundation by identifying opportunities to improve titles, descriptions, and other important content so your site is easier to understand and easier to find. And with AI visibility, you can also see whether your business is showing up in ChatGPT responses for relevant prompts. That gives you a simple benchmark for how your business appears in this new era of search and helps you understand where you may need to improve your site content. And just as important, AI can also help when it comes to packaging your expertise clearly once people land on your site. For example, if you're building a new site or reworking an existing one, Squarespace Blueprint AI can help you start with tailored guidance based on your business and goals instead of starting from scratch. Blueprint AI helps you create a personalized website with layouts, starter content, and design direction that already feel aligned to your brand. So whether you're launching something new or bringing your programs into one connected platform, you can start with something polished and keep refining from there. That matters because when someone lands on your site, they should be able to quickly understand what you offer, who it's for, and how to sign up. Taken together, these tools help businesses do three important things: get found more easily, create polished content faster, and build a stronger online presence that helps turn visitors into students. The goal is to help you spend less time stuck on setup and content, and more time creating a student experience that feels thoughtful, credible, and true to your brand. Because when your website is clear, polished, and easier to find, it becomes much easier for the right students to discover you, trust you, and sign up. Your work, your world, powered by Squarespace.